Hello, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to have you board in Latam. It's a pleasure to serve for you. Before taking off, we have to give you something and the safety instruction. Store luggage in the compartment or on the other yourself. Isolate free of on the luggage. Ice your set belts everything the thing lights up. Fast in the be inserting the tip into on the metal shoes on the relax in the pull in the shoes. Passenger must follow the direction on the seat and the grille. Not smoking. An electronic deceive in airplane mode. In the unit it has Wi-Fi in call and the use all the time. I'll take off the time strike on the table and straw. The plane has 6 emerging exits with slit each hand door. Identify your flotation here under seat and the open is the up. Yes. The best will under the set put under your head back in the pool in the straighten the just. In the cabin lose the pressures. The worst Wi-Fi tooth on for you. See? Put on the mask. It has emergency is at command Y. Yes. Thank you very much. Fly is Latam. Thank you.